Apana ere ane namba muponere zisore gondo. Apana ere ane namba muponere zisore gondo. Pane masele bagabuda offside nezuro. Pane masele bagabuda offside nezuro. Eti noi now. Peshona kwete chindau. Zichiverengwa naye wenye skimba nofumura noitama.
Team yangu ndipo mkuja se kata tsoka shakari zvikupisa na skimbo ewa kata zvikupisa tokupe team yangu pasata pinga pana zvikupisa vanasika mongo bayo bacha subscribe so that musare pana zvese zvichitika zvikupisa pazoko TV anditi asika nongo ka subscribe pakujara zvako aiwa ngoma ndiyo tikosifambira nyaya dzacho anditi tiri mu streets ma streets ari kupisa boys dzangu.
British in our society who are products of nonsense. Some of them, they are products of shameful things. They've become popular because of shameful things. Now they are invited everywhere there's a wedding, you find them there. But if you ask yourself, what made this man or this woman prominent? It's shameful things. Things that should never be accepted in society. They are now celebrities. There are members of our society who are now animals. If you watch the videos they are generating on social media, only an animal can open her mouth or his mouth and say such improprieties and vulgaries on social media. Yes, a lot of heavy obscenities are coming out of their mouths. There are people who are getting followers because they use pornographic language when they generate their video. The sad thing is, those who are following them, they follow them by saying, what you are doing is not right. What kind of a woman are you? And they think they are justified to watch those videos and try to rebuke this psychopath. How long have you been watching those videos? Nototumirwa ka link kuti aningi uye apa live uya emunzwe nasi kwakaoma. Yoti uya anonyanyawo kunyadzisira mhande kati unoti ari kuti kudi dakungoenda kuti ndinomutsiura chete. Maitire enyana kunaka asikana akadai muchidzora mashoko mufunge zvamunotaura zvonyadzisa. Iwe unotonyadzisa kudarika uya ari kuzvitaura. Because dai pasina iwe dai akamira kudhara kutaura zvonyadzisa izvi. Dai akashayiwa anozviteerera. Imi munozviteerera ndimi muri kutomutuma kuramba achizviita. Saka asina kutokwana kunyanya ndimi munomuteerera kudarika iye. My job is to not just give you doctrine. My job is also to groom you so that you can live a responsible life and a clean life in the eyes of God. God cares what your eyes see and what your ears hear. They can defile you. You can become dirty in the presence of God because of what your ears are hearing. You can be dirty in the eyes of God because of what your eyes are watching. Yes, it will make you dirty. You can read things that are written down and become defiled in the eyes of God. May everyone who calls upon the name of the Lord be pure in all states and in all counts and in all areas of life. We seek to raise a sober generation, a God-fearing generation, a generation that is not moved by emotions, a generation that is moved by instructions received from God through sound doctrine, through the soft voice of the Holy Spirit, and through the natural conscience that is given to every man by God, by which you can live a life distinguishable from that of a wild animal. Yes, sentimental naivety. Speak to each other and ask around. Ask them, did you find a benefit in this advice? This was not a sermon. This was advice. Ziklag sound advice for sentimental naivety. Miss.
Hapana ere ane namba muponere ziso regondo. Hapana ere ane namba muponere ziso regondo. Pane masele bagabuda offside nezuro. Pane masele bagabuda offside nezuro. Eti noi now. Peshona kwete chindau. Richiverengwa naye when you skimba no fumura no itama.